In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a 45-degree angle line in AutoCAD. This tutorial will guide you through the process, ensuring you can complete the task efficiently and with precision. Before we dive into drawing, let's set up our workspace for optimal visibility and functionality. It's important to enable the dynamic input feature, which you'll find immensely helpful. You can do this quickly by pressing the F12 key on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can activate it via the command line. Simply type Dyn mode, then press Enter and type 3. Press Enter again, and you'll have enabled a feature that shows lengths and angles as you draw, making the whole process much more intuitive. Now we're ready to start drawing our line. Begin by selecting your starting point on the workspace. Once you click this initial point, you can use your mouse to guide and extend the line towards your desired endpoint. While it's possible to eyeball a 45-degree angle by simply moving your mouse, there's a more accurate method if you prefer precision. To achieve an exact angle, press the Tab key. Doing this allows you to enter the specific angle you need. For this exercise, as we aim to create a 45-degree angle, type in 45. By pressing Tab once more, you'll confirm this angle and lock it in place. This switch also transitions you back to adjusting the length, ensuring the angle remains fixed even if you alter the direction of your line. At this stage, you can set the length of your line. Whether you prefer to enter a specific measurement or adjust it visually with your mouse, maintain confidence knowing your angle is already secured. The angle won't waver, regardless of how you manipulate the line's length or direction. Once you determine the desired length by either typing it in or dragging your mouse, you'll successfully have your 45-degree line. It's a simple yet essential skill that's now part of your AutoCAD toolbox. And there you have it. A straightforward process to draw a 45-degree line accurately in AutoCAD. I hope this tutorial was clear and beneficial. Thank you for watching, and give this method a try next time you're working on a project.